What if you could tap into a state of consciousness so powerful? It's been called the God state. A state where you're no longer a victim of your circumstances, but the supreme creator of your own reality. Stick with me, because I'm about to guide you through a powerful hypnosis to help you access this I Am presence and begin manifesting your desires with effortless ease. So, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed, get comfortable, and prepare to meet the master of your universe, you. Before we begin, let's talk about what this God state really is. This isn't just about thinking positive thoughts. It's about a radical shift in who you believe you are. Many spiritual philosophies, especially the teachings of visionaries like Neville Goddard, are built on a powerful and transformative idea that your consciousness is the one and only reality. From this perspective, the world you experience is simply a mirror, a direct projection of what's happening inside your own mind. Now, it's important to be clear. This is a metaphysical framework. It differs from the current scientific consensus, which generally views consciousness as a product of brain activity. These spiritual teachings invite you to try on a different possibility, that your awareness is actually the fundamental cause of your reality. Think about it. Beneath your name, your history, your wins and losses, there's a simple, quiet awareness. That feeling of just being. That's the I Am. According to these teachings, this awareness is the source of all creation. To enter the God state is to consciously identify with this awareness as the sole creative power in your life. It's the metaphysical belief that the I Am within you is the God of your personal universe. Your life, right now, is a perfect reflection of the story you tell yourself about who you are. If you assume you're limited, your world will be filled with limits. If you assume you're not worthy of love, you'll experience a lack of it. The principle here is that what you assume to be true hardens into fact in your experience. While science shows us how belief can influence outcomes through things like the placebo effect or self-fulfilling prophecies, these teachings take it a step further. The idea is that your external reality ultimately reflects the truth of who you believe yourself to be. Our goal in this session is to dissolve that old, limited self-concept and fully step into a new one, the identity of the Creator, the God state. So, why hypnosis? Well, think of your conscious mind as a security guard. It's analytical, it's critical, and it's constantly cross-checking everything against your past experiences. It hears an idea like, I am the creator of my universe, and might immediately shut it down, pointing to all the reasons why that can't be true. Hypnosis is like a key that helps us gently bypass that guard and open a direct line to the subconscious mind. The subconscious is where our deepest beliefs, habits, and automatic programming live. It doesn't argue, it just accepts what it's told and gets to work making it real. While hypnosis is a recognized psychological tool for increasing suggestibility, we're using it here to help you fully feel and embody the self-concept of the God state. We're also going to work with your brain waves. As you relax, your brain will naturally shift into slower frequencies, moving toward the theta state. The theta state is linked with deep meditation and a heightened openness to new ideas, which is ideal for this kind of profound work. Through this process, we aim to impress one powerful truth onto your subconscious mind. I am. Before we begin, if you're ready to become the master of your reality and you want more sessions like this one, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your support helps me create more powerful content for you. Okay, let's begin. Go ahead and get comfortable, either sitting up or lying down. Just make sure you won't be disturbed for the next little while. Now, close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs all the way up. And as you exhale, just release all the tension from your body. Let it all melt away. Take another deep breath in, breathing in calm, peaceful energy. And as you exhale, feel your body getting heavier, more relaxed, sinking into the surface beneath you. One more deep breath in, and a long, slow, complete exhale. You're now drifting into a state of deep, wonderful relaxation. Bring your awareness to the very top of your head, and just feel a wave of relaxation begin to flow down over your forehead, softening your eyes, down over your cheeks and your jaw, releasing any and all tightness. This wave of relaxation flows down your neck, washing over your shoulders, melting away any burdens you might be carrying. It flows down your arms, all the way to your fingertips, down your chest and your back, releasing and relaxing every single muscle. Down through your stomach and hips, down through your legs, all the way to the tips of your toes. You are completely and deeply relaxed. In your mind, I want you to see yourself standing at the top of a beautiful staircase. This staircase has 10 steps, and it leads down to the very center of your subconscious mind. In a moment, we'll walk down these steps together, and with each step you take, you'll double your relaxation and go deeper into your own powerful awareness. Starting down now. 10. Taking that first step, feeling yourself drifting deeper. 9. Every sound around you only takes you deeper into this state of calm focus. 8. Letting go of the outside world. 7. Moving deeper and deeper now. 6. Halfway there, feeling so peaceful. 5. Your mind is clear and open. 4. Doubling your relaxation one more time. 3. Almost there. 2. You are on the verge of a profound state of awareness. And 1. As you step off the final step. You are now in the infinite space of your subconscious mind. This is the workshop of creation. This is the source. Here, you are pure awareness, unattached, limitless. I want you to let go of your name. For these next few moments, it has no meaning. Let go of your history, your story, your memories. Just let them drift away like clouds in the sky. Let go of your problems, your worries, your perceived limits. They are not you. You are the awareness that is aware of them. Let them go. You are now simply a presence, a point of light in an infinite space. Feel this. Feel the peace and the power in this. This is your true nature. This is the I am. From this state of pure being, you are the creator. You are the operant power. Repeat these statements silently in your mind, and as you do, feel the truth of them. Accept them as your reality. I am. I am the creator of my universe. My consciousness is the only reality. What I assume to be true becomes my reality. I am infinite intelligence. I am limitless potential. All power resides within me. I am the source of all that is good in my life. I am wealthy. I am abundant. I am loved. I am whole. I am powerful beyond measure. My world is a perfect reflection of who I am. I move through life with effortless grace and power. Everything I desire flows to me easily and quickly. I am the master of my reality. I am in the God state. Now, Just feel this new self-concept solidifying within you. This isn't just an affirmation anymore. It's your new identity. Feel the power that comes with knowing you are the source. Feel the peace that comes with knowing you are in complete control of your experience. From this state, bring to mind something you desire, but don't see it as something off in the future. Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Assume it is yours right now. How would it feel if it were already a fact? Feel that emotion now. Is it gratitude, joy, relief? Let that feeling completely flood your entire being. This is the state of having. You're not trying to create it. You are simply accepting that it is already done in consciousness. Stay with this feeling. This is you, living from the God state. It is done. This new reality is now impressed upon your subconscious mind and will begin to unfold in your world. It's time to return to full waking awareness, bringing this powerful new self-concept with you. In a moment, I'll count from 1 to 5. When I reach 5, you'll be wide awake, feeling refreshed, revitalized, and filled with a quiet, confident power. 1. Starting to come back to an awareness of your physical body. 2. Feeling energy returning to your arms and legs. You can wiggle your fingers and toes. 3. Becoming more and more aware of the room around you. 4. Your eyes feel clear and are ready to open. 5. Open your eyes. Wide awake and feeling absolutely incredible. Welcome back. You just accessed your core I am presence and planted the seed of the God state deep within your subconscious. This is a practice. The more you return to this feeling, to this knowing, the more it will become your natural way of being. Make it a daily ritual to close your eyes and simply remember who you truly are. If this session was powerful for you, please give this video a like and subscribe for more content to help you awaken your true power. And in the comments below, I want you to declare it. Let me know. What reality are you stepping into right now? I can't wait to read your powerful declarations. Thank you for joining me. Remember, you are the creator. Live like it.